how to get your own YouTube subscribe animation for free. All you have to do is to open this website. It's called profounder.com. So open this website, and once you are here on the left sidebar, click on YouTube and simply select the option subscribe animation. Once you are here, you can choose between these type of free templates of subscribe animation. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one, click on it. Here are some reviews, and on the right you can choose your style. So you can, for example, select the dark mode, then click on create and this version, which is for free. And here you have to select your channel's profile picture. So I'm gonna select the random one, and you can simply zoom in and select the perfect window of this profile picture. Then you can scroll down and type here your profile name or your YouTube's channel name. Here are also some advanced settings, and here you can check your preview on the right. And this is simply it. If you are satisfied with the result, you can scroll down and here click the next step. Now it will prepare your YouTube subscribe animation. And now you can simply select the created version. So for example, with the transparent background, you can save it to your computer, and it looks like this. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.